Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today in this video, we are going to cover an important topic. I'm going to summarize all the study designs which we commonly used in the epidemiological research. Now, most of the time, students face difficulty when they are selecting a research design or which study design is suitable for their research. Or sometimes it happens while when they are reading a research paper, they are confused that which study design has been used in this study. So, for that purpose, I have made it easy for the students through this tutorial. To pursue it, students must have to ask few questions to themselves, and then they have to decide which study design is being used. So, the first question a researcher can ask: as a researcher, are you going to observe the phenomena which is occurring in the study, or are you going to intervene in the situation? So, if the answer is yes to that, if you are just observing it, this is an observational study design. Now, the next question a researcher can ask is whether is there any comparison group in the study? If the answer is no, then this study design labeled as a descriptive study design. And if the answer is yes, that there is a comparison group, then this is going to be an analytical study, which means that it can fall in any one of the multiple analytical studies which are possible. So, if the study contains both the exposure, means the risk factor, and the outcome, which researchers are studying, and both the risk factor as well as the outcome have been captured simultaneously, then this study named as a cross-sectional study or a survey-based study. If researchers started the study from outcome or disease and they are moving towards the exposure, this is a case control study. And if the researchers started the study from the exposure and then they are moved forward in time to see the outcome, this is known as a cohort study. Now we can go back to the first question, that whether the researcher intervened in the situation. If the answer to this question is yes, that the researcher is going to intervene in it, then it is going to be an experimental study design. Now, the next question is whether the exposure in the study or the intervention in the study is being randomly allocated to the individual. If the answer to that is yes, this would be a randomized controlled trial. And if the answer to this particular question is no, then this is a non-randomized controlled trial. So, all these study designs can be summarized in just such 4 to 5 simple questions which researcher can ask and they can know about the study design that I've just briefed in this video. So that was for today. Hopefully, it will help you. Thank you.